from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just kind of different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So, welcome to Wind Down Wednesdays. If you guys are new, as I said, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang. I feel like I need to like come up with like a name for you guys, like the Janes or something. I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I feel like I need to come up with something. If you guys have any suggestions for what like the gang should be called, leave it down in the description box. So today, I'm actually going to be trying a sangria. I picked up a sangria because people have been saying, you know, like they're sweet drinkers. And although I don't like sweet wine, clearly I do as you guys request. And sangrias are like the type of thing that I would drink if like I'm at brunch and I've made some sangria at home before. And I can handle like a sangria type of sweet because I feel like sangrias aren't like overpowering or like overly sweet. So let's try this one out and hopefully I like it. I feel like I'm gonna like it. I don't know, I just have like a gut feeling that like I'm gonna like this one. If not, this was $5, $6, I believe. Yeah, I feel like this was $5.99 or something. But yeah, let's get into it. So to begin, this one is a 13%er. And y'all know, you know. So after I finish with you guys, I'm definitely taking this into the bath, whether I like it or not. But I poured this in and this smells amazing. It smells really, really good. Like sangria naturally smells good because you know of like all the fruits and stuff, but cherry blackberry overpowering here. But I like it. Like it smells sweet, but it smells perfumey kind of sweet. It doesn't smell like, you know, when people put marshmallows on top of their sweet potatoes, yams, whatever name you want to give it for like Thanksgiving, which I think is just way too much sugar, but it just smells really sweet. Yup. Yup. I like this one. Okay. This one's sweet, but it has so many flavors behind it that like I can't complain about like the sugar content of it, if that makes sense. Like it has so many other hints to it that it's like, yeah, it's sweeter than I would normally drink, but it tastes good. And I can see this messing you up. Like, I like this one a lot. So for all of like my sweet drinkers, the people that have been telling me like, hey, make sure you get like a sweet wine in, get the original house wine sangria, this one right here, and it should only cost you about $5, $6. So your girl likes this one. Cheers. And I forgot to tell you guys, did you get your wine? Do you have coffee, tea, water, shot of tequila, if you drink Hennessy, I guess? Do you guys have something in your hands? I hope you do, because I can't be drinking by myself. I don't care if you're watching this at 9 a.m. Who cares? Take a shot, mix it into your coffee. Look at me giving y'all good advice. Mix it into your coffee. But let's go on to Vivino and see what Vivino has to say. But I like it. So guys, Vivino does not have the sangria. It has the Cabernet, the red blend, the Merlot, the Sauvignon Blanc, the Chardonnay. It has everything other than the sangria, which is weird. So since there's no information online, I'll just go based off of what I'm tasting. As I told you guys, it's sweet but not like crazy sweet. I feel like I can taste like some cinnamon and clove, clearly like red plum, a little bit of black plum, but I feel like it's more blackberry. A little bit of blueberry is in here. I can't taste any like strawberry so far, but this is a great glass. Like, if I go to anybody's house and they want to serve me something sweet, serve me a sangria, red sangria. White sangria doesn't do it for me, but some red sangria like this, beautiful, amazing. Like, it hits every note it needs to hit, and especially for $5.99, I feel like you're getting a lot, because I have this, but there's more than half of the can left back in here. Like, I wish I could pour it out for you guys so you can see how much is in it, but then I have to chug this at the end, so can't really do that. But this is a great glass of wine right here. So guys, if you've made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on all social media, and now grab your glass. If you didn't grab one before, let's go. It's time to chug. Amazing, amazing. You know what? Now that you guys have actually seen me chug it all, let me just pour the rest of it in here so you see how much would really come in a glass. So it would give you 2 glasses of full wine. And I'm about to take this into the bath with me. And I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday, for Wine Down Wednesdays. Bye!